The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs remains vigilant in the fight to protect and prepare Saint Lucians against the various health-related threats of this world. This includes the reality of sexually transmitted diseases, as large social events and gatherings such as the upcoming ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup and Carnival 2024. In a preemptive strike to prepare for the intense social activities soon to take place, our health officials have taken the initiative to educate and empower the public on the necessity of precautionary measures to protect the spread of STDs and STIs.
More than 1 million sexually transmitted infections, STIs, are acquired every day worldwide, the majority of which have no signs nor symptoms. Sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, are caused by sexually transmitted infections that are spread mainly by sexual contact. STIs are caused by some bacteria, viruses, or parasites. A sexually transmitted infection may pass from person to person in blood, semen, or vaginal and other bodily fluids. Sometimes sexually transmitted infections are spread in ways other than sexual contact. For example, STIs can spread to infants during pregnancy or childbirth. STIs can also be spread through blood transfusions or shed needles. Sexually transmitted diseases such as chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV, and hepatitis B and C do exist in Saint Lucia.
Senior Medical Officer Gail Gajada expressed the need to exercise self-control and utilize appropriate protection when engaging in events that harbor readily accessible alcohol, music, and peer pressure.
As we attend parties, fetes, and shows, we are likely to engage in activities outside of our comfort zone, especially after consuming alcohol. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs cautions the public against being easily influenced or persuaded by peer pressure and music. It is your basic human right to protect yourself against sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancies. You can do so by A. Abstaining. B. Be faithful, have one sexual partner. C. Condom use. When used correctly and consistently, condoms offer one of the most effective methods of protection against STIs, including HIV and unwanted pregnancies. Condoms obtained from any of our public health facilities are available to the public free of charge. This includes all community wellness centers around the island, as well as the Infectious Diseases Unit at the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs.
Gajada also states that if you have been exposed to any form of STI or STD, an individual can access testing and care services at reproductive health clinics at the Cicero and Viewfort Wellness Center. Assessments are also available via private doctors. For Choice News Now, this is Obi Offor reporting.